Alright, now we're going to, in the second video, we're going to test the coffee. So let's go ahead and make a shot. See, we get a nice shot of espresso. Good crema. And you can see all the parts we replaced in this. We replaced the water tank and the knob on top, bunch of gaskets. Oh, this is actually, those gaskets aren't for this machine. This gasket is for the machine. Place the collar. Place the steam thinger here, the steam. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Oh, the screen. You can see how clogged the screen was, really bad. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.